Hello everyone. This is my presentation for bullying and suicide. I am Jessie McKinley, and this is for SE504. Bullying. Key facts. Bullying is unwanted aggressive behavior. There is a fine line in bullying and teasing. Bully victims are 2 to 9 times more likely to consider suicide. 160,000 students stay home daily because of bullying. 10 to 14-year-old girls are at higher risk. Suicide key facts. Suicide is death caused by injuring oneself to result in death. Third leading cause of death in young people is suicide, resulting in 4,400 deaths in a year. There are 14% of high school students that have thought, and 7% of high school students who have attempted suicide. How to address bullying. Bullying can escalate, and if the victim feels like they have nowhere to turn or feel extremely overwhelmed, this is when it comes to that point, when it comes to the point of suicide. The different types of bullying include cyberbullying, social bullies, verbal bullying, school bullies, and physical bullying. How to address suicide. The warning signs could include depression, sadness, withdrawal, trouble sleeping or eating, reckless behavior, giving away possessions, and saying goodbye. One way to address bullying is to take accusations seriously. Get the child help, making sure that things they can use to harm themselves are put away. Get involved with the school and/or authorities. Ways we can prevent suicide. This is important. This is our hotline. This is for suicide. There is also an online chat. suicidepreventionlifeline.org. The hotline number is 1-800-273-8255. 1-800-273-8255.